Holy smokes, I just got a package in the mail I am super excited about. This is the brand new program from Shaun T. The program's coming out in January, but I got my prep kit and I'm really excited about it. I haven't even cracked the plastic yet or this little tube. So let's see what we got here. Let's open this little bad boy up. I always have trouble with this plastic wrap. Let me hope I can get it without having to grab something else. So I started with Tony Horton and eventually moved on to Shaun T many years ago and ended up losing 40 pounds and getting in the best shape of my life. So I am super excited about this new program. So the first thing we have here is getting started. It's a little 5 simple steps to get you rolling. It's got some more materials, tells you what you got here. The next thing is stickers. They say commit, transform 20, climb, transform 20, conquer, transform 20. We have the Beachbody nutrition guide, so you make sure that you can feed your body well for the program. As with any fitness program, it's the 80-20 rule. So 80% of the gains and the benefits you get from the program are going to be from your nutrition. Only about 20% comes from the actual fitness. And then this is the Transform 20 6-week tracker. So it's got all the information here. It's got the different levels of the program. You can track your food. It looks like a really nice guide. And this program is going to have 3 stages to it. So the first stage is your commit stage, which is the first 2 weeks. Then you move into week 3 and 4, which is your climb. And then weeks 5 and 6 is when you conquer. So that was what was in that package. And we got this little cool tube here. Let's pop it open, see what we got. So in the tube, we have a dry erase marker. And I believe this is a dry erase tracker for the program. I think this is the first time that they've provided a dry erase tracker. So let's see if we can get this bad boy open here. Yeah, I'm awfully sweaty. I just did insane weights. So it's a month-long prep for this program to prepare for it. And today, like I said, was insane weights. And next week on December 11th, they'll be releasing the very first prep workout for this program. And it is a step-based program, so you're going to be using a step to increase the intensity. And here is, dun dun dun, the Dry Erase Transform 20 tracker. We'll be using this every day for 6 weeks. Anyway, I'm super excited. Shaun T is an amazing trainer. There's so much energy. He just has such a good message. So along with the awesome program, with the fitness, with the nutrition, he also just has a tremendous message, and he always passes that during the course of the workouts. So I'm really excited. I'm looking for people that want to join me with doing this program. So either message me, email me, do whatever you can, get in touch with me, and I will hook you up with this program, and we will go through it day by day together. I'll see you all soon.